yeah, chief. I love my black. I love my black. Guess who black? Guess who black? Black. Guess who black? Guess who black?
What's going on? In this episode, we out here in Irving working on an Acura TSX. It's a 2006. It's actually a really nice car. It's pretty much a Honda Accord with leather, I'll say. But a lot of these cars I've seen, they typically don't be in this pristine condition. We're gonna be changing the front and rear brakes with ceramic pads all around. Alright, to get to this caliper, you have to turn this parking brake clockwise with the special tool to get it to fit the new pads. Bearing still sounds good, bushing looks good. This one could probably eventually be replaced. This one looks fine for now, that looks good. Subframe bushings, that looks good. Alright, like so. Make sure you grease these Goliath pins and replace these only if they don't rub against the rotor. Sometimes it's better just cleaning the original material, and other times the new material is the exact same. So, right. Definitely time for some pads. Look at these. Disintegrating. Alright, it's pretty much the same procedure for the other side. The tools you'll need is a 12mm, the parking brake tool to compress it while turning it clockwise. Checked out all the bushings on this side. Some of them could be replaced, about the same amount of wear and tear. Nothing's bent. I noticed there was a nail in this, so I'm gonna let the customer know, that way you can take care of that professionally, probably at like a tire shop, discount tire. Now we move it to the fronts. All right, and for the fronts, even simpler. It's gonna be 14mm caliper bracket bolts to remove. Then you can just use a regular, either a pry bar or a piston pusher to push in the pads. Alright, top the oil off, cooling off. I noticed that the alternator and the compressor, and looks like the power steering might be new too. Definitely needs another radiator soon. Doesn't have a power steering leak. Brake module looks good. Master cylinder looks good. Battery cables look good. Alright, everything checks out. Did an AC inspection, whole multi-point inspection. To say this Acura has 253,000 miles, this actually runs pretty good.